Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you change your language in Fortnite, okay? And it's pretty easy to do, and I'm going to tell you how. Changing your language can just provide much more better gameplay for you if you're a native speaker, and I'm going to tell you how. So you're going to navigate all the way to the top left corner, okay? And they're going to navigate down till settings. From settings, you're going to go over here. Now you're going to go one option to the right to this cog. Okay, when you're in the cog, you're going to see all of these settings. Okay, after that, you're going to go over here in the language, and you can choose whatever language you want. Okay, let's say we're going to go with Arabic. Okay, we're going to go with Arabic, and we're going to click apply. Once you click apply, the game has just changed the game, but you need to restart just for the best performance. After restart, everything is going to change completely. And there we go. As you can see, the language is completely changed. Everything, the battle pass, the item shop, everything has changed from English to Arabic. Okay, so yeah, that was all for you. And if you of course, if you want to switch it back, you can go back to the same thing, and yeah, go to English. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you later.